Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How do you do? We're laughing because we found out through filming that Patchy does not like when I talk to you sitting in this chair. So she was just barking through the last video, and I had to take, that was like the second time I've had to take a second take because of Patchy. So it's kind of silly. So she's now doing the take with me, so she's not barking. So good morning to Mr. Hudson. Good morning, Hudson. Good morning to Mr. Colton. Good morning, Colton. Good morning to Mr. Mark. Good morning, Mark. Good morning to Mr. Jacob. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning to Miss Liliana. Good morning, Lily. Good morning to Isla. Miss Isla. Good morning. Good morning to Miss Adeline. Good morning, Adeline. Good morning to Miss Nora. Good morning, Nora. Good morning to Mr. Tatum. Good morning, Tatum. Good morning to Mr. Leo. Good morning, Leo. Good morning to Mr. James. JP. Good morning. And good morning to Mr. Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. So, we need to sing our weather song today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is the sun out today? I don't know. Look outside your window today and tell me what the weather's like. It was sunny earlier, but now it's looking a little cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain because I want to get outside to do one more experiment, so we'll have to see. But hopefully it doesn't rain. It was a rainy weekend. Yeah, it rained a lot this weekend. And let's sing our Days of the Week song. Can I see 7 fingers? There are 7 days you see. Come along and count with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, to Thursday, Friday, that's for you. Saturday, Sunday, that's the end. Now come along and be our friend. Patchy is not being a very good friend today, but it's all good. All right, and let's think of what month is it today. It is, I believe it's still March. It's not April 1st yet. April 1st is coming up. Oh, wait for April Fool's Day. That's the day I get to play tricks on you all day long. Good thing we aren't at school. So, yes, today is it the 31st, Gabby?
Oh, wait, no, 30th.
30th, yeah. Okay, 30th today. So, count it home to Mom and Dad to number 30. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want the video to go too long. We are learning about volcanoes today. I'm not going to read this whole story to you today. I just couldn't find this one online to show you. But volcanoes are really cool. They do something called an eruption, and they are very hot. So obviously you don't want to be anywhere near a volcano if it is erupting. So basically, I don't know if Gabby can zoom in on this one. Basically, the lava actually starts in the bottom underneath the ground. But it's not lava when it's down there. It's called magma. Magma, can you say that? That's a tough word. Sits at the bottom, and then the magma just bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles. And then all of a sudden it gets so hot that it comes out the top. When it comes out the top and comes down the hill, then it turns into lava. Lava, yes. So lava is very hot. Once the lava dries, it actually makes rocks and makes new land. Here's some funny postcards. The one up here says, I lava you. This one says, moose you very much. Up here says, washing you a great day and having a hot time in the Andes. So kind of funny little volcano postcards if you visited any of those places. Oh, here you can see the volcano. It's bubbling up and all the stuff is coming down the mountain. All the lava's coming out of it. Now this one's not active right now. It looks like it's gonna be. I see a lot of smoke coming out the top, the volcanic ash, and this lady's standing back, or man is standing back far enough that they're not near the volcano, but they're watching it going, uh-oh, we might have to leave. That volcano's getting too close for us. Ooh, yeah, you wouldn't want to be anywhere near that. They must have had some type of drone fly in to take that picture with all that lava, hot lava. And let me see here. I'm not going to read all this to you today. Here it's kind of cool. Even the lava is coming off the side of the hill going into the water. Then that's how we get islands. The lava goes off into the water and that keeps piling up, piling up, piling up once it cools, and it'll make islands. Some neat things about volcanic areas are this one in Japan. They have hot springs, which means it's like hot water in the ground. So they can boil eggs in it. This one here, his monkeys in Japan, you can take a bath with monkeys, but the water is nice and warm from the volcanic, the hot magma underneath the ground. And the last one's in Iceland. It's pools that are by the volcano that people like to swim in. A friend of mine actually went there. I don't know if I'd want to do that. That's very brave. Then sometimes volcanoes can be a big geyser. Now this is a big water geyser. So the ground will get so hot that the water will just go way up in the air and it'll shoot up in the air and make a big geyser. We might see that later when we do our little experiment outside. Okay, so there's our book. Now we have to do our letter of the week. So let me go in my little pouch here. Oh, I have a little instrument and I have a letter. Does it go like that? Nope, I don't think so. How about this? Yep. All right, what letter is that? Letter V. It goes down and back up again. So we are learning letter V, letter V, letter V. We are learning letter V, violin. Can you make that V sound? V. It almost makes your lips vibrate. What does mommy sometimes use to clean the carpet? She might use a vacuum. Very good. Oh, what are we learning about this week? Volcano. Oh, these are on your plate. Sometimes you don't like to eat all these types of food. Vegetables. This you might wear over top a coat. It doesn't really have sleeves. It's called a vest. Very good. Another name for a truck is a van. And sometimes if it's sunny outside, you might have to wear this on the brim of your hat. Or of your head, not your hat. It is a hat. A visor. Very good. And this one is, I'll show you this. This is it first. And then this is a picture. It holds flowers. It's called a vase. Very good. And the last one I have in here, I don't know if anybody knows these anymore, and we use phones and everything else right now. This is a video camera. Video camera. Okay, so those are our letter V words. V is kind of tough. We don't have a lot of V words to go over. So that's kind of a tough one to do. There's not too many words that begin with the V. So I want you to have a great day today. Go outside if you can for a little, maybe before it rains. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Go outside, have some fun, maybe write with some chalk, or do one of those experiments that we're going to do. I'll send to you later. All right, have a good day. Love you. Bye.